welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are changing out the AC blower motor resistor on our 2009 Acura TL. This information is the same for 2009 to 2014 Acura TLs. But let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go to the passenger side. And the parts are located under this. So these are just little plastic pins. Run your finger down. Alright. So do you see there's 4 pegs? Pins 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this cover comes off. This is the footwell light LED. Go ahead and twist this. I'll keep it on there. It's easier for me. Look at that. So this comes out as well. That's just pretty simple. This just pops out like that. Just like an Acura ZDX. Alright. Let me show you this removal. So it's just a whole bunch of pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like one is missing right here. The blower motor resistor, located under here, right there. Do you see the little plug right there? Okay, so if you get a long enough extension, you can reach those screws. So there's 2 Phillips screws. I found an easier way, right? Do you see that one right there? You can kind of go in between the airbox vent, foot vent, and on the other side as well. On the other side, if you go above that wire harness right there, you can go above that wire harness, and there's a Phillips screw. So get a long Phillips screwdriver or an extension with a 7mm socket, and you can get those out pretty easily now. I did it with a Phillips screwdriver, so it was really difficult. Okay, so we got it out. So you squeeze it through here, and you're able to maneuver it out right behind that harness. Here's the old part. Compare it with the new part. Looks good. Alright, so now we're gonna put our new one in. So put it back in the same way you took the other one out. That's the new one. But it's really difficult to have the camera under here while we're doing this. That's why I can't really record, but all right, basically just bolt the screws back in. All right, just keep tightening those 2 screws and then plug the connector back in. Okay, so if you get a long enough extension, you can reach those screws. So there's 2 Phillips screws. I found an easier way, right? Do you see that one right there? You can kind of go in between the airbox vent, foot vent, and on the other side as well. On the other side, if you go above that wire harness right there, you can go above that wire harness, and there's a Phillips screw. So get a long Phillips screwdriver or an extension with a 7mm socket. But we're good to go. It's back in, both tightened. Let's reinstall the panels. Alright, so this just pops on. It's a whole bunch of little plastic clips. So we have this panel. Make sure you plug in the LED bulb. Let me show you details. So do you see these two pegs right here? One peg, another peg. They go into these slots. There's another slot right there. So first you line that up. Like that. Put the LED bulb back in. Like that, and then you rotate this 90 degrees. And that's it. You push this panel back up. Four clips, done. Let's go ahead and test. Perfect. So we have different speeds. All right, different speeds are working. Nice and cold. All right, I think our AC is working pretty good. All right, well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you hit the like button, bell, subscribe.
Make sure to ring the bell, subscribe, and hit the like button. See you guys next time.